What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're still new to the channel, I'm Reagan and we're here at the Buntot Dam here in Aurora area. We have Scarlett at the back right there and we got our friends in the Miata Club Philippines. We are heading off to the beach province of Baler, Aurora. Let's go guys! Okay, so this is the summer getaway of the Miata Club Philippines. We have an RF right there. We have Scarlett right here. Another red ND right there. A white NA and another red ND for a total of 5 MX5s, 5 Miatas. Alright, we're gonna have some photo shoots here at Buntot Baging Dam before we head out to our resort. Now, if the audio is a little bit windy, I do apologize for that because it is quite windy here on top of the dam area. But wow guys, check out the view at my back. Scarlett's right there, but look at the view. Woo! Look at that. Now after this, we're just gonna go around the Baler and Pandambang and Dinajawan area. We're gonna have we're just gonna tour the area guys. We're gonna stay here for 3 days. It's gonna show you the highlights of this entire trip. Let's go. Buntot Baging Dam is here in Nueva Ecija and it pretty much supplies most of the water requirements of Central Luzon, and it's a nice place. It's a nature reserve. Nice place to be here, very scenic spot. Also place to have some shots of the MX5 right there at the back. Now this one I like. We're the sign of the Buntot Baging Dam. Buntot Baging Dam. But look at that. Look at those letters. G-A-N. It's GAN for Reagan. I love it. Okay, so after a 5-hour drive, we just arrived here at Alia's Surf Resort. And you can see we have a huge expanse of beach at my back right there. And although it's a surfing spot, because it's a summer season now here in the Philippines, the waves aren't really that big now, so it's quite perfect for swimming. A little bit of waves, but nothing fancy, nothing like a Cloud9 for surfing. So it's just gonna be just a swimming time for us here. Lauro, kamusta yung twisties natin kanina papunta dito?
In terms of excitement?
Oo. Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Oo, enjoy yung kotse dahil nag-ABS na yung nag-function yung ABS niya. Oh, so that means na napupush ko sa limit yung kotse. To the point na talagang nag-i-intervene na yung computer.
Para lang kaming nasa Nueva Ecija racing circuit ni Lauro. Lauro is the reigning Miata Cup champion of Miata Club Philippines. Woo! We went through a lot of twisties this morning going to this resort, and it was a fantastic, it's heaven for our Miatas. Okay, so we make a short stop here at Kahanamoku Resort. The owner of this place is a good friend of one of our club members, so the owner just invited us here for some coffee, afternoon tea, just to check the place out, so we're gonna go inside. Okay, so I'm a little bit tired. Going through the twisties here going to Baler. There's a lot of twisties because we had to go through the Sierra Madre mountain range, but I didn't do a video on that anymore because, to be honest guys, we were going at way above what the speed limit says. And we were having a lot of fun. You know, the Miata is truly at home on mountain twisties. That thing I can tell you guys for sure. Whew. Tired. Oh. swinging right here. I'm supposed to tell you guys that this place is a bed and breakfast. It's around 7 kilometers away from the beaches, but it's nice and quiet. It's secluded, tucked in. You're right beside the mountain, but all you're seeing is me just lying down here on the hammock. Because, wow, this is so relaxing, guys. So relaxing. Oh, wow. But check out this view. It's awesome. So you got your rooms right here. And from the rooms, you can see right there, you are immediately beside the mountain. You're immediately beside the mountain. I mean, this is like nature at its finest. It's nature. Okay, I'm back here at the hotel. I'm at Ali Resort again. This is my room. It's a nice room, small but clean and decent. Got the bathroom right there, and best of all, quite affordable. Let's end this right here, but because tomorrow we're going to go around Dinajawan area. So we're gonna go for a drive there. But tonight, I'm gonna get some shut-eye, guys. Tired. Woke up at 3 a.m. So almost 10 p.m. here now, and I'm really pooped. 5-hour drive. See you again tomorrow. Alright, bye-bye.